call you Jehovah, you answer by fire. I call you Jehovah, you answer by fire. I call you Jehovah, you answer by fire. I call you Jehovah, you answer by fire. We call you Jehovah, you answer by fire.
Hey folks out there, it's Olusola in the studio. You're welcome to today's tutorial, and in today's tutorial I'll be talking about 2 Makossa lines you can play in your high praise song to make you visible as a guitarist. So before we proceed to the lesson, I would like you to click the subscribe button and put on the notification bell so as for you not to miss any video update. Now let's get to the lesson. So the first lick goes like this. So the breakdown is this. From so do so, then to the octave, slide, then that's the first part, that's the first variation. Again, slowly. The second variation goes like this. Mi, so, do. So it goes like this. Mi, so, do, la, fa, fa, mi, re, do, ti, re, ti, so, la, fa, fa, mi, re, do. The third variation, like it, but this time around we're starting on another note entirely. We're starting from the root note, which is our F sharp. Do, mi, so, la, fa, fa, mi, re, do, ti, re, ti, so, la, fa, fa, mi, re, do. So slowly. Do, mi, so, la, fa, fa, mi, re, do, ti, re, ti, so, la, fa, fa, mi, re, do. So all together, the licks all together. So it will work on the progression of just 1 4 5. So the second lick is a bit tricky, and it goes like this. What do we have there? We have a pentatonic kind of structure, then a sweep picking here. Watch my picking hand. You sweep it up. That is, you pick it up stroke. Then you sweep it down, like you are playing a major 7 arpeggio, but in sweep picking kind of form. Fa la do mi so, fa la do mi so, fa la do mi so, fa la do mi so. Then fa la do mi, that's a major 7 arpeggio. Then to the so, that's a major 9th. Mi do ti la do la fa do la fa la do mi so, mi do ti la ti so la. That's a trio. Mi do ti la ti la fa do la fa la do mi so, re Re, mi, re, do, la, sol, fa, la, do, fa, sol, la. That's the first part. Slowly. Sweep it back. Sweep it up, then sweep it down. So Re, mi, re, do, la, sol. That's the pentatonic. Re, mi, re, do, la, sol. Then the major arpeggio, fa, la, do, fa, which will add ninth. Then to la. So that's just the lick. Now let's add a jam session that is playing those two licks over the chord progression of 1, 4, 5. It might not be this exact song you are going to be playing to, but any song that has to do with 1, 4, 5, the licks is going to work very well over them. So the first lick goes like this. Again. Hey folks, hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you do, please, I would like you to click the subscribe button and put on your notification bell so as for you not to miss any video updates. I would like you to stay in tune with the channel because more lessons will be dropped on the YouTube channel, and I would like you to share with friends, comment. Have a nice day. Please do what to rehearse.